Good morning. Decided to come here. I made already a bunch of pictures, but I think one time to see it, it's probably worth of a lot. Okay, so this is stains on, it's actually, here is dry, and I wanted to show you how I do stain removal. Anyone can do it. It doesn't cost anything. Hi, William. Welcome. Okay, so one side I already pre-treated, and I did it. And then I was like, hey, I have to share with you guys. Okay, so this is my spray. Of course, I can drink it. So I'm spraying right here on that side. This is chocolate ice cream from last week, Wednesday. You know, people sometimes, you know, we don't believe it. Of course, you have to rub it with it. You have to. I'm gonna post you pictures. Each stain you have to little bit rub with you. But the thing is, the main thing is, it's non-toxic. You can drink it. You know, you don't have to worry about your hands. Here you go. It disappears. It disappears. And I'm telling you. And that's what I'm gonna pour instead of my laundry in my machine. And it's gonna do it for us. Right here. So it was, you know, you can see, this is, I had two sides. One is clean, I already rubbed, and another one is coming. I'm gonna post pictures. It's amazing. It is amazing. It's amazing. And I have two different ones. This is for different type of stains. So let me know if you want to try it. It doesn't cost anything. It's gonna be gone. Right there. Well, I do laundry. See, this is white. And it's gonna be done. And we take it to karate. I have to. That's it. A little bit here. And that's how I do my laundry. I'm gonna pre-treat it and put it in my laundry machine and add a bit more water. And it's gonna I forgot to do it yesterday. I fell asleep. I like to go to bed early. Okay, it's gone. Maybe somewhere. It's gone. Okay? With water. All right, let's go. I'll show you how I do it. Just a second, I'll take my container. That's how I usually do. I take container of water and put it instead of laundry detergent. Here's my laundry room. All right. You see that? I'm gonna drop it right here. Let me flip my camera. Right here. See, I already put all the white stuff here. And this is container that I'm gonna put. I didn't prepare myself, I didn't open it. Good morning, good morning. Welcome. Oh, okay, I opened it. Right here. Let me pour it. Just water. Oh, I have to prove it, right? That I can drink it. Laundry detergent. Can you drink yours? Okay. Ready to go? Let's start the laundry. Here you go. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have more questions, message me. I'll respond later. Thank you so much for tuning in.